Number 3 is Epson Expression Premium XP-7100 Color Photo Printer. Printing color photos that look stunningly realistic and sharp, the Epson Expression Premium XP-7100 is the perfect printer for anyone looking to take their home or office printing to the next level. This inkjet printer uses Epson Genuine Cartridges to ensure the best results possible and features wireless connectivity for easy printing from multiple devices. But it's not just about photos. The XP-7100 is designed for productivity as well, with a 30-page auto-document feeder and automatic two-sided printing, copying, and scanning capabilities. You can even print on specialty paper or DVDs and create borderless photos up to 8 inches by 10 inches. The XP-7100 also features a large, intuitive 4.3-inch touchscreen that lets you view, edit, and print photos directly from a USB or SD card. And with its sleek black design, this printer looks great in any home or office setting. If you like this color photo printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.